Hey Jack. How's it going?
Hey Maya. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good too. I'm so happy that we're back in school. I missed seeing all of my friends.
Yeah, me too. It's great to be back and see everyone in person.
So, did you have a good summer?
Yeah, it was pretty good. I went on a family vacation to the beach, and I also played a lot of basketball.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I mostly stayed at home and caught up on some reading. I did read this really interesting book about the history of the pyramids.
That's cool. I've always been fascinated by ancient history. What did you learn from the book?
Well, I learned that the pyramids were built more than 4,000 years ago by the ancient Egyptians. And they were built as tombs for the pharaohs and their queens.
Wow, that's really interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's amazing how much we can learn about history from reading books.
Speaking of learning, how are you finding your classes so far this year?
They're going pretty well. I'm really enjoying my science class. We're learning about the human body right now, and it's so fascinating.
That does sound interesting. I'm really enjoying my math class. We're learning about geometry, and it's really challenging. But also really rewarding when I solve a difficult problem.
Yeah, I feel the same way about science. It's challenging, but when you understand something new, it feels really rewarding.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to the rest of the year and learning more in all of my classes.
Me too. It's going to be a great year.